Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says let A equals this, B equals this, C equals this, be the vertices of a triangle. Okay, so suppose that we need to draw a triangle. Okay, so suppose this is your triangle. Okay, so it is A. A is what? 3, 0, minus 1. This is B. B is 2, 10, 6. This is C. C is 1, 2, 1. Okay. So this is your vector. Sorry, coordinates. Be the vertices of a triangle and M be the midpoint of the side AC. So this is your M. M is midpoint. So if M is the midpoint, okay, if G divides BM in the ratio 2:1. So don't you think that this BM will become median? Okay. Since they are saying that G divides BM in the ratio 2:1. So don't you think that this G is nothing but centroid? Okay. So if you will consider any median, median is the line passing through a vertex which divides the side in front of it in 1:1 ratio is named as median. Okay, a straight line passing through the vertex of the triangle divides the side into 1:1 ratio. It's a median. And if you will consider a point, okay, and from the vertex side it is making 2, and from side it is making 1, so 2:1 ratio will be a centroid. And if you wish to find out the value of centroid, it is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. So it is 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6. 6 by 3 is 2. So it is 2. Okay. Then we have 0 plus 10 plus 2. So it is 12. 12 by 3 is 4. Then it is minus 1 plus 1, 0 plus 6. So 6 by 3 is 2. So this is your centroid. 2, 4, 2. Okay. Now, then cos of angle GOA, GOA, where O being the origin. So you have a, suppose this is origin and this is G. Okay. So you need to find out, this is origin, you need to find out this angle GOA, GOA. So can I go with, you know that this question is asking us to find out the angle. Angle means we should take help of dot product. For that we need two vectors. So can I consider OA vector? OA vector means what? A minus O vector. Okay, so O is what? 0, 0, 0. है ना? So can I write 3i plus 0j minus k? Can I go with OG vector as 2i? I can go with G vector minus O vector, final minus initial. So it is 2i, it is 4j, it is 2k. Okay. Now we need to find out the angle. So for an angle, we need to take dot product. Okay. Now look at this. So can I write OA vector dot OG vector equals mod OA vector mod OG vector and then cos of angle GOA. Okay. Now look at this part. So can I go with this vector? Means I with I is 6. Then j with j, it is 0. then k with k, it is 2. Now mod of the vector 1. So mod of vector 1 means what? X square plus y square. So 9 plus 1. Mod of second vector. So it is 4 plus 16 plus 4. And then cos of angle GOA. Okay. Now, can I say that it is 4 by this is 24. 24, it is root 10 and it is root 24. We need to simplify. Okay. So we have cos of angle GOA. Let's simplify the left hand component side. So it is 16, sorry, it is 4 into 4 upon 10 into 24, everything inside root cos of angle GOA. Now, yeah, so it is 6, it is 3 and 5. So can I say that it is 1 by root 15? So the angle cos of angle GOA is what? 1 by 15. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of Mathflix.